Hello everybody, this is Mr. Hagag and I'm going to explain to you how to create a new project and class in the Eclipse environment. So, to start, if you're at home or somewhere else and you don't have Eclipse, you can go to eclipse.org and you can get it for free, legally for free. So you can go ahead and click downloads when you're there and you see a whole bunch of cool stuff you can download and play with on your own. But the one that you want to download is Eclipse IDE for Java developers, because you are a Java developer. Let's go ahead and click that. Now, if you're in a Mac environment or if you're using a Linux-based operating system, then you will find the appropriate link at the very top here. But since I'm on a Windows machine, the top link here is for a Windows machine. Click it, save it, download it, install it. Boom, you have Eclipse. Okay, I'm not going to do it again because I already have it on this computer. So that's where you get Eclipse from. Eclipse.org, click downloads, and then click on the one for Java developers. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and open up Eclipse and show you how to create a project and then a class. So when you open up Eclipse, the purple welcome logo is going to come on, and you're going to see a screen that sort of looks like this. All right, that's the very first time. If it's the very first time you're opening up Eclipse, that's what you're going to see. Go ahead and click on the arrow that says. Let me try and get it on the screen here. Go ahead and click on the arrow that says "Go to Workbench." So you click that, it jumps straight to Workbench, and then you're going to be on your Java Workbench. This is like your work environment. This is where you're going to do all of your Java coding. Okay, the cool thing about Eclipse, at least I think it's a cool thing, you can create projects from within Eclipse, and then Eclipse automatically organizes the directory structure on your computer. So you don't have to drag and drop folders like you would with other compilers or environments. It does it automatically for you. So on the left side here, if it's the very first time you're running Eclipse and you don't have any projects, you should see nothing here. Which is okay. So to create a brand new project, you're going to click on File, New, Project, or you can click on the icon here, the white icon with the star in the top right corner. You click it, and the project wizard is going to come up. So what we're doing now is we're creating just the project folder. We're not writing any code yet. So Eclipse is going to create a folder with that project name in the workspace that you selected. If you don't know where your workspace is, let me go back a second. Click File, Switch Workspace, and then select the folder that you want all of your projects and files to go under. Okay, so I'm going to select that. It's going to reload. Eclipse is going to reload, and boom. All right, so let's create a new project. Let's go back. File, New, Project. I'm going to select Java project because that's what I want to do. I want to make a Java program. I'm going to open that up, and it's going to ask me to give the project name. So you're going to type in the name of the project. This is not the name of the file. This is not the name of the class that you're creating. It's just the name of the folder that all of your files and classes are going to go. Okay. So I'm not going to create a Hello World program because everyone else in the world is doing that. I'm going to create a What's Up program. So I'm going to create a What's Up program. Okay, now I'm going to click Finish, which is at the bottom of this wizard page. So as you can see on the left side, under Package Explorer, you're going to find a folder that says What's Up program. If you click the plus next to it, you should see all of the classes that are part of this program. Since we don't have any, none are there. Okay. So, to create a brand new class, I'm going to right-click on What's Up program, and then select New, and then the green circle with the white C that says Class. I'm going to click that, and then the Class Wizard is going to come up. Now, I'm going to go, and explain all of these things later, but I just want to show you how to create a very basic class. Okay, now the class, remember, in Java, the source files are .java files, and then when you compile them, they create .class files, the object code. Okay, so right now we're creating the source code. So we're going to name this What's Up I can't make it 2 words because it's going to be the name of a file, and I can't have class names with 2 words. They have to be 1 word. So I'm going to call it what's up. Now I'm going to automatically include the main method in it, just because I want to for this particular program. You don't have to do it for all Java classes. I'm just going to do it now here so that I can show you how to compile it. Now it's going to complain up here. It's going to say, hey, the use of the default package is discouraged. Just ignore it for now. Yeah, just ignore it for now. It's not a big deal for this program. So go ahead and click finish, and voila! You're going to have the what's up.java created for you. Now if you're wondering what I just did, I just double clicked on this tab and Eclipse makes it full screen. So I'm going to double click this tab and you're going to see everything here. So on the left side you're going to see what's up program as my project name, and then inside of it I have something called default package. Don't worry about that right now. But inside of that you have what's up.java. That is my source code for this program. That means all the code that I'm going to type is going to go into what's up.java. Okie doke. Let's go ahead and show you how to compile it. So when you take a look at your class, you have public class, what's up, and then you have open curly brace, and then it closes down here, and then inside you have the main method, open curly brace, close curly brace. I'm just going to point out a few things. In any Java program, it always starts with the main method. Okay, this stuff right here that says that's like faded out, those are all comments, and they're going to be ignored by the Java compiler. I'll talk about those later, so I'm going to delete them now just so the code looks nice and clean. Alright. And on the left side you'll see what's up.java. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do a very simple print statement. I'll have another video where I'll talk more about print statements. But I just want to show you how this works so that we can compile and run it. So I'm going to run a print statement that's going to print what's up world. And I'm yelling because I have 3. Anyways, so back here, what's up.java, I have the print statement. I'm done with my program. I'm ready to compile and see if it works. So to compile, there's 2 ways you can do it, or more than 2 ways. You can right-click on what's up.java and say run as Java application, or you can right-click in the white area here, any white space here in your program. You'll right-click and you can say run as Java application. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it on your screen. I'm going to try to move it up so you can see it. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Run as Java app. Alright, so that's that. So when you go ahead and run it, the cool thing about Eclipse is when you run a program, it saves like the last file that you just compiled. So if you want to compile it again, all you have to do is click the green play button and it'll run it for you. So I'm going to right-click, run as Run Java Application. I'm going to click OK. It's going to run it, and then on the bottom part of the workbench, under the console window, it'll show, hey, what's up, world? And so my program worked. So that's that for that tutorial. Stay tuned for further tutorials. Have a splendid day.